The first rule of the Simpletivity method is to work on what really matters. And recently, Google has added a new view right here within Google Calendar, which makes it that much easier. Historically, we've always had to access Google Tasks from the side panel here, which is okay, that's fine, but often we are so distracted by the long list of tasks, probably a lot longer than what you see here in my example. Well, in the top right-hand corner of Google Calendar, we can now switch between our calendar view and our tasks view, which makes managing and adding and organizing our tasks a lot easier. First off, you can have access to all of your different lists on the very same screen. And you know what that means? It means that you can easily drag and move tasks in between your different lists. This is especially helpful if you would like to create a Kanban method, a method of moving your tasks from the left-hand side to the right-hand side of your screen. And of course, you can always add a new list whenever you like. If I have 4 or 5 or more lists, I can still see them here on the exact same screen. But here I've created an even simpler and I feel a more effective way to use this new view. Here you can see I have both a work list for all of the things related to my business, and then over here I've got a family list, things that are related more to my personal life or things outside of work. And at the very beginning, I have a list called My Tasks. And the reason why I've set up my list this way is that I only want to focus on 3 tasks at a time. I want to accomplish those 3 tasks, not be distracted by everything else going on in my life, and then come back here and pull in another 3 or another few tasks for that day. So for example here, I can continue to add a very long list of all of my work tasks, maybe just a number of ideas as well. But when it comes to planning for my day, I can review my list and say, well, that phone call is very important. I want to accomplish that. And then I want to send out the newsletter, but I don't want to forget to call mom and talk about spring break. So these are the first 3 tasks. These are my most important tasks right now. Now, when I come back to my calendar view, I'm going to come up here and switch to My Tasks. You'll see that you still always have access to your multiple tasks, but now I only have those 3. I can go about my day and focus exclusively on these 3 tasks, make sure that they are completed, and when I'm done or when I'm ready to add some more, I can go back to my master view or my new Google Tasks desktop view and start to drag in a few more tasks. In this way, I'm not distracted by a lengthy or long list, and I can focus on just 1 or 3 things at a time. Now, if you enjoy tips like this to get the most out of your software so you can work a little less and enjoy life a little more, join us at Streamline Academy. It's the private Simpletivity community where you can get more done and enjoy less stress. To learn more, go to simpletivity.com/streamline or click the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, being productive does not need to be difficult. In fact, it's very simple.